Amazon is stepping up its game with a new AI called Metis. This is big news in the tech world. Amazon has been working quietly for some time. Now their efforts are showing results. Metis is Amazon's strong answer to others like ChatGPT. It aims to be very smart and help Amazon compete strongly. The AI race is getting hotter every day. Why the name Metis? It is very interesting. Metis is a famous Greek goddess of wisdom and deep thought. Amazon chose this name carefully, showing their ambition. They want Metis to be a reliable source of knowledge. Amazon is very serious about AI, investing a lot of money and talent. This is not just a small project for them. It is a major strategic move. AI is the future, and Metis is a big part of this plan. Their plans are indeed very ambitious. Stay tuned for more on Metis. Metis has many impressive capabilities. It can give you fresh, up-to-date information from real-time sources. This makes its answers more relevant and useful. What powers Metis? It is Amazon's own special AI model called Olympus. Olympus is the main engine for Metis, built in-house by Amazon's best engineers. This gives Amazon much more control over its functions. Olympus is the true secret behind Metis's growing strength. Amazon has vast amounts of data, helping train Olympus effectively. A well-trained AI model is always a smart model. Olympus is designed for handling very big tasks and processes information very fast. Amazon's massive cloud infrastructure supports this scale. The field of AI has many strong players now. ChatGPT is a famous example. Amazon believes Metis offers unique benefits like real-time data access. They are not just copying others, they are innovating and leading. Metis is here to make a mark. Amazon has created a special team working on AGI. AGI means Artificial General Intelligence, a very advanced type of AI. Think of an AI that is like a human mind, capable of learning many different things. This is their ultimate, long-term aim. The AGI team at Amazon has a clear mission to build AI that truly thinks. AI that learns like humans do. This is a huge and difficult challenge, requiring deep research and cutting-edge technology. The team is full of very smart scientists and engineers. Amazon's ambitions in AI are very high. Their CEO has spoken about this publicly. The mission is to usher in artificial superintelligence, or ASI. This concept goes beyond AGI, creating AI smarter than humans. This shows how serious Amazon is about its goals. Metis and Olympus are important parts of this vision. Each new AI model they develop is an improvement. Amazon is building its AI capabilities block by block. The AGI goal guides all their AI development efforts. A fascinating journey lies ahead. Amazon is not pursuing these goals alone. They have formed a strategic partnership with Anthropic, a well-known AI research company. Amazon has invested significantly in them. This collaboration is very significant for the industry. Anthropic recently launched an impressive new AI model called Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This model is reported to be very intelligent, faster, and cheaper to run. It performs better than OpenAI's GPT-4 in some tasks. Claude 3.5 Sonnet understands nuanced language and context. It represents a big improvement in AI communication. It can respond at twice the speed of Anthropic's previous model. Dario Amodei, Anthropic's CEO, said it achieves a new balance between intelligence, speed, and cost. This makes high-end AI capabilities more accessible. These advancements are very important. Metis, Olympus, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet show how fast AI is growing. AI is becoming more powerful and cheaper to use. This will affect many industries in big ways. The future of AI looks very exciting and full of possibilities.